everybody. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. My name is Shauna and welcome to Shauna's World. Yay! So guys, I am back. I'm back in Germany. Yeah, and the weather's horrible here. It's so horrible. I'm so over it. It's not even funny anymore. But oh my goodness, yeah, I'm back and look what I'm doing. My videos. Yeah, so let's talk about the trip. That was nice. I like Marbella a lot. It's so much to see, so much to do. The weather was actually, this time of year, it was really good. It wasn't too hot because normally Marbella can get really, really hot. And it's like a dry heat, so you really got to take care because they have a lot of forest fires around that area. I asked specifically, are there fires directly in Marbella? And lots of people were like, no, it hasn't hit here yet. So hopefully it won't hit there. But yeah, it was so nice. Made a really nice experience with the host from the Airbnb where I stayed. Like I said, the only disadvantage was that she didn't have any internet service, which I'm thinking, okay, who in this day and age doesn't have internet? Who doesn't offer it? Because it's really necessary, you know, for your daily work or just to stay in contact with people. I mean, who doesn't have internet? However, okay, it's not a big deal. I was able to use my own internet. And yeah, I drove back from Marbella to Malaga, and I was also very easygoing, no problem returning the car. Actually, it was a good time to leave as well. My flight left, I think it was at 1, so I left to drive to Malaga. I think I left around 11, no 10. I left early because I like to be early. So I was also able to hang out at the business class lounge. It was nice. At first I was like a little bit a turn off because when I walked into the business class lounge in Malaga, it was a bit dirty. Dirty meaning none of the tables were clean. I mean, it was a huge area, but none of the tables were clean, and so every table I looked at, was dirty. So that wasn't nice. Eventually I saw the guy come out and he started to slowly put the things together, and I was so tired. So I just had like a little snack, and then I kind of somewhat fell asleep there, and then yeah. Oof, telephone's ringing. I'll be right back. So where are you guys now? Yeah, okay, somebody will come around, okay? Either me, either your sister or I. We'll see. Okay? See you. Bye. Oh, my kids are like, blah, 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 blah. Today's Sunday, and the weather's so ugly. It's so on and off, rainy. Not so pretty at all. Turn off. But look, now the sun is shining. But as you see, it's a bit wet looking out there. Yeah, Germany. Everybody. So, I gotta go pick up my kitties. First, I gotta put it in the drive. Yeah, did you guys see? Ugly, ugly weather. I hate the weather here. Ew. I don't know if summer's ever gonna kick in over here. I'm over it. Hey everybody, so today was actually a very quiet day, so I'm sorry today I didn't do so much vlogging, but however, I will try to do some vlogging tomorrow, the next day. It's late here. I've been doing my videos, setting them up, so. And of course, what do you know? Got a tennis match running as well. So anywho, I'm gonna go to sleep now. Good night. See you tomorrow. Hey everybody. So can you guys believe it? Look, I'm out here with short sleeves on. I can't believe it. Today we finally have an awesome day today. Beautiful weather. This is so unusual. I'm not used to it anymore. I gotta take care. I have a bee's nest here on my balcony, so I don't know how long I can stay outside, but this is my little set here. You guys can get an idea. Yeah, it's hot out here. I mean, when the sun comes out, the sun comes out, and it's hot. I mean, I feel like I'm turning into one of those complainers, you know. I'm complaining if it's gray, and then I'm complaining if the sun is too hot, and I feel like it's too hot now. But no, it's okay. I'm gonna get my vitamin D. I won't stay out here too long. And yeah, it's so nice. One can only, yeah, just enjoy it, because God only knows how long it's gonna last. Tomorrow probably be back to autumn weather again. Yeah, other than that, today is Sunday. No, today's not Sunday. Today's a holiday. They call it Pfingsten Sunday. No, Pfingsten Monday. Let me see what, you know, because it's a holiday here, and I really don't even know what we even celebrating. Let's see, what's Pfingsten? What does it mean? Let's see, Pfingsten. So Pfingsten, let's see, Pfingsten meaning. Pfingsten variant meaning. Shul variant Pfingsten side. What is the meaning of Pfingsten? Pfingsten, okay. It's a Christian festival of Vites United, celebrated on the 7th Sunday after Easter. White Sunday. The day is close to White Sunday. Yeah, so it has something to do with Easter. Celebrated on the 7th Sunday after Easter. Okay, so that's what it means. Yeah, however, today's a holiday, and yeah, so we had a long weekend, and oh, it's so nice. I'm just taking it in. Like I said, I'm a little too hot now. So I don't know how long I'm gonna sit out here. Probably gonna stay out here for like 2 more minutes, and I'm gonna go inside. It's a little bit too hot for me. everybody. So it's late and it was a long day. Had a nice day today. Went for a nice walk, and actually I just got through braiding my daughter's hair. Ooh, that took so long. She's got so much hair. Took at least 3 hours. But however, oh my goodness, I saw some interesting vlogs today. Oh, and I got so inspired. There's so many people out there who make such nice travel vlogs. I even got the inspiration of going to Singapore. I've always heard about Singapore, but I just never realized how beautiful it is there. I mean, wow. The architect there. I think the food is also good. And the cleanliness. Yeah, it looked, it's definitely on my bucket list, place to go. What else? I was also inspired but to go to Kenya. Kenya also looked really beautiful. At Zanzibar, wow. Like I said, some people, they really make nice vlogs. I don't know, let me give you this girl's name. Because, you know, normally I have my vlog recommendations, and what was her name? Her name was Loreto M, Leratom. And yeah, she went to Spain and Dubai at first, and I just love her do you call it videology, or her style of vlogging. It just looked really nice. I found that she was very much into herself, which is okay because she's a beautiful girl, but in general, yeah, the styles, the places where she stayed, it just looks so beautiful. So this young lady's from South Africa, Durham. Didn't even know where that was. Like, oh, excuse me, but she's from Durham, so she's often flying. When she flies, she's often flying into Dubai, and then from Dubai, there she goes to her destination. Excuse me, it's late. Yeah, but she really inspired me. I just liked her style of vlogging and her style in general. Young girl, sweet. I'm like, she threw like a 25th birthday party for herself, and just looks so cute and glammy. And I was just thinking, wow, I remember when I turned 25, oh my goodness, I was with my ex, and we had stayed in it was supposed to be some resort hotel in Acapulco, and it was definitely like a catfish hotel, because when we got there, it did not look anything like the picture. But yeah, I spent my 25th birthday there, and it was kind of funny and cheesy, but on the other side, I was telling my kids how sad I was, because I'm like, oh, I was crying because I was like, I'm a quarter of a century old, and little did I know, now I'm half a century. Oh my goodness, back then I thought 25 was so old, you know. Little did we know, or little did I know. Anywho, yeah, so yeah, this young lady really inspired me, and makes me really want to see more of the world, because it's just so many beautiful places to go. Oh my goodness. And then one lady, she was in Malta. Malta also looked really beautiful. Where else? I'm trying to think. Oh, Puerto Rico. Puerto Rico also is, oh, excuse me, also like beautiful. Yeah, I mean, just watching people's vlogs, I mean, I think it's great how everybody has a story to tell, and I think it's nice how, yeah, people share their lives, you know, and show how they live, and yeah, I definitely gather a lot of inspirations from other people's videos. So anywho, I'm gonna make it short. I'm tired. Ooh, I'm gonna go to bed. Gotta get up early. Got an exciting day tomorrow. Oh, I'm gonna sell my car. I'm so sad. But it's time to get rid of my one car. I mean, I have 2 cars now, so I think 1 car is enough. I don't know, maybe later on I'll get another car, but for now, I just don't want to lose too much value in my 1 car, and it's just pretty much sitting around, y'all. So, I don't know. I'm gonna try to sell it tomorrow and we'll see what happens. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna say good night. Gotta take my makeup off. Good night.